In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin a chat on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, by pinning your chat, you should be able to see a small pin near your chat. As you can see, we have one here. So let me show you how you can do this. All right, now to pin any chat, head over to the chats that you have on ChatGPT and identify one that you wish to pin. For instance, I want to pin this chat. To do it, hover over it and then click on the three dots just next to it. Now, if you click on this, you should see we have an option to pin chat. Go ahead and click on it, and this will move the chat from its position to the top position, and all new chats will be under it. So that's how you can pin it. Should you want to remove the pin, you can go ahead and again here hover over it and click the three dots and then click on unpin. So that's how you can pin or unpin a chat in ChatGPT. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.